Yo, what's up, Learning Machines? We're 2 days into the month here with crack revenue here. And in this method, I want to share with you guys, it is crazy powerful, okay? Basically, no one's ever talked about this stuff, and this can be applied to tons of different offers and verticals out there. This is the power to change your life literally right now, okay? We're going to be talking about the most powerful traffic in the world. It's considered the most warm traffic. It means people with buyer intent searching, okay, to buy stuff. So, or convert on stuff. So let's see this, okay? We could just look at top offers here because they have the most attention anyway. Okay, this is what I wanted to show. All these offers have the top attention. Okay, so let's look at this. This will literally change your life. Get ready. Okay, so here we are. I already have one typed in already just because. Okay, Chatterbait was one we just saw there. My free cams. And let's see, another one. 6 emulator. Okay, and I mean, there's dick pill brands and stuff like this, Semen X and weird stuff like this. Royal cams, get ready for this. Royal cams. Okay, so we're gonna search it. Some won't pull up, okay, but some will. Okay, looks like most of them did. This is the search volume they're getting. Now we want to look for opportunities of keywords here. Okay, so let's look for some opportunities. Let me move me over here. Guys, okay, all of this is opportunity, okay? So basically, you can bid on these keywords, and by the way, sometimes the bids are very low pay. I mean, very, very low competition. I would actually be willing to say most of these don't have any competition. Look, it's low, 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 low. What you're doing is you're basically brand bidding. And you're not directly brand bidding per se, and you really should do landing page, but in some scenarios you can direct link, okay? Now, Google Ads doesn't really like adult marketing, so there are scenarios around this. And by the way, the other thing is you can literally find keywords for offers that are in the mainstream, and this is where the big opportunity is, okay? I really recommend don't do offers that are fully adult, like royal cams and all this stuff. It usually won't get approved, but if it does, and you can get around it, you can absolutely crush it. If you need to do redirects, if you need to do a landing page, if you need to do a landing page, then switch the landing page after approved. Do whatever it takes because the cost per click is much lower than this on most of these, and essentially you can literally take advantage of this stuff. Okay, so high payout offers. I've shown you guys on Sell Health, all these different pill offers, Nutra offers. These things get searched. Okay, this is one right here. Okay, I made a lot of money with this, still am. This is Semenax, okay? It's some weird pill, okay? And basically, this is its search volume, 27,000 people. Your cost per click might be $1, but it's very intent based, and you get paid out a couple $100 per sale on average, okay? These are people actually deliberately looking for the Semenax. You could direct link in this scenario most likely and usually, okay? It just depends if Google's strict that day. It's really off and on, but Facebook's way more strict on everything else. They're not even really correlated fully because Facebook's not really a search engine, okay? Google is. You guys can absolutely crush it, okay? These are like different names of popular people, I guess. That's what that kind of is. Now, if we sort by the biggest monthly searches just because, we could see this offer's crazy. But the thing is, sometimes they're searching it up just to go log in. You want to basically do a keyword where people are new, trying to find it, okay, to sign up, okay? That's powerful. I would say the Chatterbait one is a very big opportunity, very big. Chatterbait, if you can find the keywords for basically people trying to sign up for Chatterbait to basically make content on there, you can get paid a lot of money per person sign up. I forgot how much it is, but it's quite a bit. I remember looking into everything about, all that stuff. And it pays out really well, guys. Okay, so you can basically do freaking bidding on these keywords per day, and there's a lot of searches per month, and you can literally have a whole income just off a keyword, okay? Literally, these are people searching for it to sign up for it. It's crazy, okay? Mind-blowing stuff. Mind-blowing stuff. I mean, this opportunity is insane, and I wanted to share it with you guys because, yeah, you can absolutely demolish, okay, with this opportunity. Now, there's way more offers than this. it never ends really. Okay, there's just so many offers. You don't even, like I said, you can go to the Sell Health platform. You can go to a mainstream platform like ClickBank. You'll see this is kind of the psychology of the consumer. They are basically getting advertised to, and then they're curious, and then they go search up the offer, and or even for a purchasing decision, which is the main keywords you want to go after, purchase decision keywords, and then you freaking just print money all day. You flip cash all day long. It's the most predictable. It's one of the most predictable ways to make big money online. Okay, is search intent keywords, promoting stuff that's popular that people want to buy. It just works, man. It just works. Hopefully you guys found this video super, super valuable. This is a powerful method you guys can use to crush it. Thank you so much for watching. Go check out more powerful methods down below. Link is in the description. Go check out more videos. And peace out, learning machines.